Okay, we are at winter chill, and it really is chilly. It's like in the low 20s and a lot of wind. And yeah, it's our first winter chill out. Here's our group. It's not too big. Yeah, we're excited. They got a long day planned.
If you got any questions, we'd love to talk to you. Please ask us any questions. I'll show you our Christmas.
Winter chill out. Okay, we're at winter chill out. There's the Top Thrill 2 Spike. Brand new. We're in the trains repair, train maintenance. There we go. We get to go in the tunnel.
The other one too.
Okay, great. Cool. We are in the tunnels, or near the tunnels of Millennium Force. Oh, look at the paint. Allison, look at paint that has fallen off. It's like paint chips from Millennium. Oh, here we go. You want to grab a pink chip?
Churro. I bet they were here last year.
Churro.
Churro's a baby brother.
Which one's Churro? That's Churro? What?
It's Churro.
They were very confused when we arrived. Like,
I'll see you.
I knew this place, but just something different. It's like, where's all the people? Where's the noise? There's a little noise. Now, the vet is called a chorizo. The tan one. She's actually half a llama and half alpaca. Her mama was the alpaca, not the llama. She's actually younger than Churro, so you can see how much bigger the llama influence is making. Is that one thing the vet? The vet.
No.
I know, we love you. I really
We're waiting at Winter Chill Out. We're by the Magnum. And yeah, Winter Chill's a lot of waiting. There's Top Thrill. We're waiting to go inside there to the Top Thrill area. While we wait, I can reminisce to 1989 when I used to wait for 3 hours for this ride. Magnum. Oh look, Magnum has a 5-minute line. There's the Magnum cars. We are ready to go to the Top Thrill 2 area. Probably. Winter Chill is taking a long time. I see the seats in there.
I already saw it right.
Alright, making a video. We just sat in the Top Thrill seat, the blue one, and had her pictures taken. It's pretty cool. Very nice. Felt very comfortable, didn't it?
It felt nice.
Yeah, cool. And there's some kind of lottery. We each got a ticket. And we'll see.
So we just like ask questions maybe?
Okay, well, here we are, leaving Winter Chill. Kinda quiet. So it was a fun day.
Ready? Come on, we need to go to Kalahari.
Yeah, I'm so pooped, but we have tickets for Kalahari, which I wish we didn't buy.
I'm not sure. I'm excited.